Welcome to part 2. We just removed the front bumper, and what we see, intercooler. It's on invoice, it's a brand new, but it's definitely not. Let's check the oil filter. You see the dirt inside? Yeah, metal pieces everywhere. Look at the metal pieces. Shiny, completely missing one mount. Front axle just moving like that. Already leaking the coolant because somebody put the longer bolt and broken the radiator. Bracket for the auxiliary pump, it's missing. Look at this. Put the different Jubilee clip, left the old one on the plastic. Vacuum pump, invoice is new but it's old. EGR valve, on the invoice is new but it's old. Look, I found some parts. What's that? That's the studs from the exhaust manifold. Original. Guys removing this ones and fitted building bolts 8.8. This part is a catalytic converter and second part is a DPF. Catalytic converter is fully blocked. Silicone inside. Go straight to the pump and fuck the pump. Look at this. Straight to the pump. Pump is old. Gasket is old. Professionals. No way. What the fuck is this? That's the wrong cover. And put the silicone. And it's welded or what? Yeah, it's welded. That's it. I'm done. I'm going home. That's fucking technology. It's grinding this part because it's put the bolt. But this bolt doesn't need originally.
Shit, so you're gonna need to get a new bracket as well.
Yep. On the bolt from the vacuum pump. It's fitted in the wrong place. What the fuck is this? Just left the old pump and put the, again, silicone. Siliconator. Let's check the timing. Okay, top one. Timing is not good. Pump is not adjusted the timing correctly. It's no gasket. This gasket cost maybe £3. Yeah, silicone in here. Again, silicone in the exhaust, silicone in the coolant. Oh, broken. We have Ford belt, but tensioner, it's aftermarket tensioner. Just open new tensioner. Original, not original. That's Ford. That's shit. Everywhere, silicone. I see the aftermarket bolts and I see aftermarket head gasket. We decide to remove the head, check the quality of the block. It's definitely not 240 Newton meters. I don't know what's this. It's the first time in my life I saw this. Why it's two pieces? Should be like this. See difference? BGA head gasket. BGA 2410.